Kirti. I am studying in 10th standard in a Muraji Desai Residential School, Makanur, in Haveri district at Ranibennur Taluk. Now I would like to tell the few information about the yoga. Yoga is the source of our India. It has a 10,000 year history holder. Yoga is a combination life, old, health, etc. It has the many forms of that. Yoga is the source of our India. I told before that. It has a one story. That is, Shiva has doing a performer and a beauty and started to enlarge his body as he wanted. And this all seen by the Vishnu. Vishnu also started to enlarge his body as he wanted. And Adishesha seen all. He said, I also want to do like this. How it possible? Vishnu said, it is a possible from the yoga. Adishesha said, I also want to do like this. Vishnu said, Hastu. And Shiva started to teach this yoga for Saptarushi. One of the Saptarushi was Patanjali Maharshi, called as Adishesha. And Patanjali Maharshi has created the 192 rules in 8 organs called as Ashtangas or Raja Yogas. Raja Yogas or Ashtangas are Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dhara, Dhyana and Samadhi. If we are all incorporated in our body, we will be healthy and peaceful if there is no any wealth. And yoga is also called as a mantra, mudra, meditation, dance, etc. Because I will tell you one story for that. One day, Indian family has lived in the forest, but a daughter was caused from some diseases, and she has not cured from some diseases because the doctor said she will not cure it for diseases as she has lived for only few days. Keep her happy as she has lived. But for family has become very sad and suggested for her to do a meditation, yoga and mantra. And she started a yoga mantra called as the Vishnu Sahasranama and meditation daily. And she has cured as day has passed. One day her father take her to a doctor and check it. The doctor become very wondered because she has cured from these diseases. This is the power of the yoga, mantra and meditation. And in our world, it has come on the COVID-19. It is not a big matter for us to send it. So I suggest for all to do a yoga for not a one day, to do a every day, every morning for only just 30 minutes. Thank you one and all.